Hello everyone. Telegram has introduced a new way to change video speed. In this short video, I'll demonstrate how to speed up or slow down a video. Open a chat or channel on Telegram that has a video. Then, open the video and play it. Next, press and hold on the right side of the video and move your finger to the right to increase the speed. You'll notice a number at the top indicating the speed. If you move your finger to the left, the speed will decrease. For slow motion playback, use values from 0 to 0.9. If you move too far to the left, the video will play in reverse. Another way to control the speed is to tap on the video and then click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. From there, you can select the desired speed or adjust it using the slider. And that's it. The long tap method is new, which is why we made this video. I hope it helped you. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one.